off the ice. Hey! Come on! Easy on the ice. You're making my hound squeal. Oh, I'm going to have some tired puppies. Come! Woo! Good dogs. Yes, good dogs. Smart Alec. I don't think your line's bothering you. Come! Woo-hoo! Come on, you guys, catch the hound. Watch that tin. Let's get away from that tin. Good dogs. Oh, I think he's doing mighty fine. Easy, come back, come back, come back. Turn it, good dogs, good dogs. Good dogs, here, Q. Whoa, Q. Good boy, that's good listening. That is, that's good listening. What a good dog you are. What a good dog you are. You too, Mr. T. You too, Mr. T, good dog. One more? Okay. You crazy fools. You're going to be out of breath. Alright, take a break. Take a break. Good dogs. Get a drink, bud. Just jump in there. Get a drink. Jump in. Look at the hound go. He's in his own little world. Good dogs. There, you found some water. There you go. Good boy. Good dogs. Flask on the water so the hound will.